So for this course, we actually install or we need a Kali Linux. So basically, you're going to have a look how to install. So in my Hyper-V, I'm going to install these virtual machines. Name Kali 1, generation 2. So because it has all the latest security features, then click next. So 1 GB memory should be fine and is dynamic. So it will take the memory at needed basis. After that, I'm going to connect with default switch so it can get internet connection. Click next. And hard disk 127 GB automatically selected. We'll leave it default. Click next. I'm going to install, I need the image, operating system image. I'll click on browse. And I have this Kali Linux installer. I'll click open and click next and finish. So basically, yeah, once we configure, sometimes this secure boot can cause issues. So I'm just untick that one. After that, I'm going to install this one. So for penetration testing, we are using this Kali Linux a lot because Kali Linux, it has many different uh, uh, tools, inbuilt tools, which we can use over the time. So especially penetration tester, they need Kali Linux for many different tasks. So basically, we're going to, that's why we're going to install this one. We need this one. So I'm going to keep all the default settings. Let's say language English, locations. Locations, you can select Australia, click continue. American English for the keyboard, that's fine. So it's looking for the network adapter. So it's found the network adapter, so that's fine. Now hostname is Kali, that's fine. Continue. Domain name, we don't need any domain name. Username, so I just put Zahid. Continue. And username is this one, that's fine. Password, I just put default password. This one you need later on. Locations, you need to select for the clock. Then it will find the hard disk. So it is going to use the entire hard disk, that's fine. I click continue. This is my hard disk, that's fine. All files in one partitions, that's fine. We'll leave it default, actually, everything. And finish partitions and write changes to disk, yes, continue. Write changes to disk. So all these partitions has been organized properly. And yes, we want to write this change and click continue. So basically now it's installing the base system. So basically this is the installation process. Part of that, this is a desktop environment, and there's a different sort of desktop environment we have, like XFCE. This is one of the desktop environment we're going to use, and that's like a default one, and it's working fine. Other things we leave it default and click next. Yeah, you can see this one is 2,500 files. Basically, it will read time and stuff. So it will take a bit of time. So yeah, we're going to check this one later on. Thank you. Yeah, basically, so team, basically this one is done. So let's say continue. Yeah, basically once it's done, then you need to put the username and password. So I just put the username and password, and then I can log in. So pretty much installation is done for this one. After that, this one has some, this is a graphical user interface. So basically, if I go to this menu on the left-hand side, this corner tab, I can see there are many pre-installations applications we have. Sometimes some of them, some other applications we need to install, but basically these are the applications we have. We can use them mostly penetration tester, they're using many different tools from here. And this one has other tab. Basically, yeah, this is more on just file systems and other stuffs we have. There's a desktop documents, download those folders we have. Sometimes we need those stuffs. And also there's a text editors in here we have. It's like a notepad with similar to Microsoft computers we have. And there's a Firefox browser we have, and then terminal we have. It's similar to command prompt. So this is a shell. We can use this one. So basically, these are the stuffs we need to use. And if I go to my terminal, I can do ifconfig. It should provide me IP address for these machines. So sometimes you need to use our IP address. So basically, these are the tab we have. So they are all located on the top. And yeah, so basically there's a home button, there's a file system informations. These are the stuffs pretty much we have.